Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to configure state and local tax settings in Gusto. So now that your federal tax info is set up, it's time to take care of your state and local tax settings. Now this ensures that your payroll taxes are filed correctly, based on, of course, where your business and employees are located. So let's walk through how to do that in Gusto. Step 1, head to the tax setup in your settings. Now from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on settings, that's in the left hand menu, and then go to the tax setup, and now you're going to select the state tax info section. Now this is where you'll need to enter tax details for each state where you operate or employ people. Step 2, select the state where you pay employees. Now, if you have employees in multiple states, you will need to set up each one. Just start with your home state or the state where your business is primarily registered. Click Add a State if it's not listed yet. Step 3, enter state tax account information. Now, most states require one or more of the following. They need a state employee account number, state unemployment insurance rate, state withholding account number. Now, Gusto may help you apply for these accounts directly or guide you to the state's tax agency's website. Step 4, enter local tax information if applicable, of course. So some cities or countries may require local tax withholdings. For example, New York City or certain Ohio municipalities. So if Gusto detects a local tax requirement based on your business or employee address, it'll prompt you to add that information. So just follow the steps to enter any account numbers or contribution rates. Step 5, review and authorize Gusto to file. Now, once everything is entered, you want to double check that your account numbers and rates are all correct. Gusto will typically require you to sign a power of attorney or an e-file authorization for each state. Now, this gives them permission to file and pay taxes on your behalf. Now, step 6, save your changes. So click save to confirm. Gusto will take care of filings and paying both your state and local taxes according to the settings that you've provided. So that's pretty much it. You've now configured your state and local taxes in Gusto. Keeping things accurate ensures there's no surprise penalties down the road. Thank you guys for watching. If you found the information here useful, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.